In this video, you will learn how to sell digital products with Hostinger Website Builder. First, log in to Hostinger. Go to thehostinger.com and log into your account. Open the website editor. Then, enable the online store features. In the Website Builder dashboard, go to the section Store and click Start Store. Add a digital product. Inside the store dashboard, click Product, then click Add Product. Enter your product name, description and its price. Under the product type, select Digital Products. Then, upload digital files. This could be zips, PDFs or ebooks. Set up payment options. Go to your store, then Payments. Choose to connect a payment provider. This could be PayPal, Stripe or any other payment provider. Follow the instructions to link to your payment account. Configure the delivery details. For the digital product, make sure automatic delivery is enabled. This ensures that customers receive a download link straight after purchasing. Customize the product page. Go back to your website layout, add on Edit Product section to display your digital product. You can add images or a call to action button. Publish. Make sure to publish your website once everything is set up. Test. Do your test purchase to make sure your file is delivered properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.